Hello guys, welcome to MasterMind MCQs. In this video, we will cover 50 most important questions on computer networking selected for competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Banking and State PSCs. Question number 1. In which topology the network consists of a direct link between two computers? Option A, tree. Option B, bus. Option C, linear. Option D, point-to-point. The right answer is option D, point-to-point. Here the topology means it's a physical or logical arrangements of all devices and connection in the computer network dictating how our data flows. Here, key types are tree topology. It works like a hierarchy with branches, not just two connected computers. Bus topology uses one main line that many devices share for communication. Linear topology, a straight line version of a bus setup linking devices in sequence. Point-to-point topology directly connects two computers through a single communication line for a fast and simple data transfer. Question number 2. Wide area network, that is WAN, has an inter-process distance of how many kilometers? Option A, 100 kilometers. Option B, 1000 kilometers. Option C, both A and B. Option D, 1 kilometer. The right answer is option C, both A and B. A WAN is a large network that typically spans cities, countries, or even continents, often covering thousands of kilometers, while a distance like 100 kilometers is easily manageable. Next question. Question number 3. What is the size of a MAC address? Option A, 16-bit. Option B, 32-bit. Option C, 48 bits. Option D, 64 bits. The right answer is option C, 48 bits. 16 bits used for TCP or UDP port numbers 0 to 65 and 535. And the host portion is class B IPv4 subnets. 32 bits, the pixel length of an IPv4 address, that is Internet Protocol version 4. 48 bits, the pixel size of device MAC address. MAC means the media access control, a hardware address. 64 bits used for the interface ID, that is host portion of a 128 bit is for IPv6 addresses. Question number 4. Which topology is used in Ethernet? Option A, bus topology. Option B, ring topology. Option C, tree topology. Option D, mesh topology. The right answer is option A, bus topology. Bus topology is all devices share a single main cable like one rod connecting every computer in old Ethernet networks. Ring topology, where the data travels in a circular path where each device passes information to the next, used in token ring networks. Tree topology is a combination of a star and bus layouts shaped like a branching tree for hierarchical connections. Mesh topology is every device connects directly to all others, ensuring high reliability even if one link fails. Question number 5. LAN works on which of the following layers? Option A, physical layer. Option B, data link layer. Option C, data link and network layer. Option D, physical and data link layer. The right answer is option D, physical and data link layer. The physical layer is the foundation of networking. It handles the actual hardware part like cables, connectors, and electrical signals that carry the data. Next, the data link layer makes sure that data is properly parametered given the right MAC address and checked for any errors before it moves across the local network. Together, the data link and network layers ensure that data doesn't just move locally but can also be routed and delivered to other networks beyond your LAN. Finally, the physical and data link layers are the main backbone of the LAN, working together to keep local communication fast and reliable. Question number 6. LAN topology contains which of the following? Option A, bus. Option B, star. Option C, ring. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. In the bus topology, all devices share one common cable for communication. Star topology connects every device to a single central sub or switch for easier control. In a ring topology, devices are connected in a circular loop and data moves in one direction. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Bus is simple, star is reliable, and ring ensures orderly data flow. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of LAN? Option A, it can face security issues if the central server is not properly secure. Option B, it has a high data transmission rates. Option C, it has a high initial setup cost. Option D, it restricts the size of the network. The right answer is option B, it has the high data transmission rates. LANs are known for their high data transmission rates, allowing computers within a small area like an office or school to share a data quickly and efficiently. This speed is one of the biggest advantages of LAN compared to wider network like WAN. Question number 8. Which of the following techniques are used in networking? Option A, packet switching. Option B, circuit switching. Option C, message switching. Option D, all of the above options. The right answer is option D, all of the options. Packet switching is breaking data into small packets and independently across the network. Circuit switching sets up a dedicated communication line for the entire duration of the connection. Message switching sends the whole message for one node to another until it reaches its destination. So all the above are valid communication techniques used in networking. Question number 9. Which network device is used to connect LAN, that is local area network, together? Option A, router. Option B, messenger. Option C, transmitter. Option D, transistors. The right answer is option A, router. A router is the device that connects multiple LANs and varies data between them, helping different network communicate efficiently. It decides the best path for data to travel. The other option, messenger, transmitter, and transistors, don't perform this network function. Question number 10. What is the main purpose of virtual private network, that is VPN? Option A, to establish local network connection. Option B, to extend a LAN within building. Option C, to secure communication over public network. Option D, to connect home device wirelessly. The right answer is option C, to secure communication over a public network. Next question. Question number 11. A hardware networking device used to connect two LANs or LAN segments are option A, bridge. Option B, router. Option C, hub. Option D, broadband. The right answer is option A, bridge. A bridge is a device that links two LANs or network segments and manages traffic by checking MAC addresses. A router connects different networks such as LAN or LAN to a WAN and directs data between them. A hub simply connects multiple devices within a LAN but doesn't control or filter traffic. Broadband, on the other hand, it is not a network device, it's a high-speed internet connection. Question number 12. How can the country's many universities be linked together? Option A, PAN. Option D, MAN. Option C, LAN. Option D, WAN. The right answer is WAN. A PAN, a person or a personal area network, is used for very small areas like connecting devices within a single room. A MAN, or a metropolitan area network, links between across the city. A LAN, local area network, operates within a single building or a campus, whereas a WAN, a wide area network, spans large distances connecting multiple networks across cities or even countries, making it ideal for linking universities nationwide. Question number 13. Which is not a type of network? Option A, LAN. Option B, MAN. Option C, WAN. Option D, Unix. The right answer is option D, Unix. A LAN or a local area network is within a small area such as building. MAN is a metropolitan area network, covers a larger area like an entire city. WAN is a wider area network, spans countries or even continents. Whereas Unix, on the other hand, is an operating system and not a type of network. Question number 14. Which layer comes in between the transport layer and data link layer in the OSI model? Option A, physical layer. Option B, session layer. Option C, presentation layer. Option D, network layer. The right answer is option D, network layer. In the OSI model, Open System Interconnection Model is a framework that explains how data travels from the one computer to another in a network. It divides the communication process into 7 layers, each with a specific job. Network layer. This layer is responsible for routing data packets between devices across different networks. It sits between the transport layer and the data link layer, ensuring the information reaches the correct destination. The other layers serve different purposes. The physical layer handles hardware and raw bit transmission. The session layer manages communication sessions between applications, and the presentation layer formats and translates the data or the application. Question number 15. DNS is the abbreviation of what? Option A, dynamic name system. Option D, dynamic network system. Option C, domain name system. Option D, domain network server. The right answer is option C, domain name system. Domain name system or DNS is a system that converts user-friendly domain names like www.example.com into numerical IP addresses that computers use to locate each other on the internet. This makes browsing easier as people don't have to remember complex number sequences. Question number 16. Which of the following protocol is known as the Terminal Emulation Protocol? Option A HTTP, option B FTP, option C SMTP, option D Telnet. The right answer is option D Telnet. HTTP or a Hypertext Transfer Protocol is used to transfer web pages from servers to browsers. FTP, a File Transfer Protocol, allows moving files between computers over a network. SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is used to sending emails. Telnet enables remote access to another computer, letting a user manage it as it using its terminal directly. Question number 17. Which of the following devices performs signal conversion? Option A modulator, option B mouse, option C plotter, option D keyboard. The right answer is option A modulator. A modulator converts signals into a suitable form for a transmission over network or a communication channel. Question number 18. What is LAN means? Option A local area network, option D large area network, option C least area network, option D light area network. The right answer is option A local area network. Next question. Question number 19. Which one of the following protocols is used for email services? Option A HTTP, option B IP, option C SMTP, option D PPP. The right answer is SMTP. HTTP is the protocol used to request and load web pages while browsing the internet. IP handles the addressing and routing of data packets across networks. SMTP is specifically used for sending and routing emails between mail servers. PPP, on the other hand, is used for point-to-point connection. Question number 20. Which of the following devices operates at the data link layers of the OSI model? Option A switch, option B modem, option C firewall, option D router. The right answer is option A switch. A switch operates the data link layer, forwarding data based on MAC addresses. A modem works at the physical layer, converting digital signals to analog and vice versa. Firewall functions at the network and transport layer, filtering traffic based on IP addresses or ports. A router works at the network layer, directing packets using IP addresses. Question number 21. IPv4 addresses have a size of option A 64 bits, option B 128 bits, option C 256 bits, option D 512 bits. The right answer is option B 128 bits. IPv6 uses 128-bit addresses, which provides an enormous number of unique IP addresses. This is a huge improvement over IPv4, where IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses and is running out of unavailable addresses. IPv6 also includes better security and more efficient routing features. Question number 22. A star network consists of dash as a central device in a star topology. Option A STP server, option B hub or switch, option C gateway, option D none of the above. The right answer is option B hub or switch. Hub or switch is the main device in a star topology, connecting all computers or nodes to it for communication. Question number 23. What is the primary function of a routing in the network layer? Option A data framing, option B error correction, option C finding the best path for data, option D none of the above. The right answer is option C, finding the best path for data. Finding the best path of data is the key function of routing, which ensures the data packets take the most efficient route to the destination. Question number 24. The World Wide Web, that is WWW, works at which layer of the OSI model? Option A physical layer, option B application layer, option C data link layer, option D session layer. The right answer is option B application layer. The World Wide Web works at application layer, which provides web browsing and communication through protocols like HTTP. Question number 25. Add-on card is used in computer for which purpose? Option A to boost magnitude, option B to reduce noise, option C measure voltage, option D communication. The right answer is option D communication. Add-on cards are mainly used for communication such as network, modem or interface cards that helps computer exchange data with other devices. Question number 26. ISP stands for what? Option A Internet System Processing, option D Internet Service Provider, Option C, intelligent system processing. Option D, internet service provider. The right answer is option D, internet service provider. An internet service provider is a company that gives user and organizations access to the internet. Question number 27. Which of the following uses high frequency radio waves instead of cables for connecting the devices in LAN? Option A, Bluetooth LAN. Option B, wireless LAN. Option C, wired LAN. Option D, fiberglass LAN. The right answer is option D, wireless LAN. Wireless LAN uses high frequency radio waves to connect devices without cables, making it ideal for Wi-Fi networks. Bluetooth LAN works only over short distances for personal gadgets. Wired LAN relies on Ethernet cables for data transfer. Fiberglass LAN isn't a real term. Fiber optics use light signals. Question number 28. Identify the odd one out of from the following options. Option A, SMTP. Option D, HTTP. Option C, SAP. Option D, FTP. The right answer is option C, SAP. SMTP is used for sending and transferring the image between email servers. HTTP is a protocol that enables browsing and viewing web pages. SAP is an enterprise software company, not an internet protocol. FTP is used for transferring files between computers over a network. Question number 29. A device is used to connect multiple nodes to a network is called what? Option A, router. Option B, repeater. Option C, modem. Option D, hub. Right answer is option D, hub. A router connects multiple networks and directs data packets to their correct destination. A repeater strengthens weak signals, allowing data to travel longer distances without loss. A modem converts digital data from computer into analog signals for internet communication and vice versa. A hub connects several devices in a LAN and sends data to all connected ports regardless of destination. Question number 30. Which of the following is not an advantage of modem? Option A, speed. Option B, malware attack. Option C, automatic dialing. Option D, signal conversion. The right answer is option B, malware attack. Speed. A modem enables relatively fast data transmission between computers and the internet. Malware attack is a disadvantage as modems can make systems vulnerable to online viruses and hacking. Automatic dialing has some modems can automatically connect to an ISP without manual input. Signal conversion is the main function of the modem is to convert digital signals to analog for transmission and back to digital for reception. Question number 31. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Option A, automatic. Option B, half duplex. Option C, full duplex. Option D, simplex. The right answer is option D, simplex. Half duplex allows two-way communication, but data can travel in only one direction at a time, like in a walkie-talkies. Full duplex enables simultaneous two-way communication, such as in telephones. Simplex supports one-way communication only, like when a keyboard sends input to a computer. Question number 32. What is the full form of DHCP in networking system? Option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Option B, Dynamic Host Control Point. Option C, Data Host Control Panel. Option D, Display Host Control Protocol. The right answer is option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, it automatically assigns IP addresses and network settings to devices, making network management easier. Question number 34. Which is the fifth layer of the open system interconnection, that is OSI model? Option A, presentation layer. Option D, session layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, network layer. The right answer is option B, session layer. Presentation layer is the sixth layer of the OSI model, responsible for translating, encrypting, and formatting data for the application layer. Session layer, the fifth layer, manages, establishes, and terminates communication session between devices. Transport layer, the fourth layer, ensures reliable end-to-end communication, error detection, and flow control. Network layer, the third layer, handles logical addressing and routing of data packets across different networks. Question number 35. What is the full form of IMAP? Option A, Internal Message Application Protocol. Option D, Internet Messaging Automated Protocol. Option C, Include Messaging Application Program. Option D, Internet Messaging Access Protocol. The right answer is option D, Internet Messaging Access Protocol. Internet Messaging Access Protocol allows user to access, read, and manage their emails directly on a remote mail server without downloading them, keeping messages synchronized across multiple devices. Question number 36. Which component connects a PC to a network? Option A, RAM. Option C, NIC. Option C, power supply. Option D, GPU. The right answer is NIC, it is Network Interface Card. RAM is used for temporary data storage and quick access by this GPU. NIC, it enables the computer to connect to a network through wired or wireless communication. Power supply provides electrical power to all internal components of the computer. GPU processes graphic and visual output. Question number 37. MAN stands for what? Option A, maximum area network. Option B, metropolitan area network. Option C, minimum area network. Option D, main area network. The right answer is option D, metropolitan area network. MAN connects multiple local area networks, that is LAN, within a city or a large campus, enabling high-speed communication over wider area than a LAN, but smaller than WAN. Question number 38. The layer that changes speeds to electromagnetic signals. Option A, data link. Option B, transport. Option C, physical layer. Option D, presentation layer. The right answer is option C, physical layer. Physical layer converts raw bits into electromagnetic signals for transmission over cables or wireless media. Data link layer responsible for framing data and detecting error on a local network. Transport layer ensures reliable end-to-end communication between devices. Presentation layer translates, encrypts, and compresses data so that application can understand it. Question number 39. Network layer firewall works as a option A, frame filter. Option D, packet filter. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, packet filter. Frame filter operates at the data link layer, examining and filtering data frames based on MAC addresses to control access within the local network. Packet filter operates at the network layer, analyzing packets using IP addresses, ports, or protocols to control traffic between networks. Question number 40. In network services, WINS stands for option A, Wireless Internet Network Service. Option B, Windows Internet Name Service. Option C, Windows Internet Node Service. Option D, Wireless Internet Name Service. The right answer is option B, Windows Internet Name Service. WINS, that is Windows Internet Name Service, is a network service in a Windows environment that translates NetBIOS names into IP addresses. This allows computers on a Windows network to locate each other using friendly names instead of numerical IP addresses. Question number 41. A device used to connect two or more different networks is called option A, switch. Option B, hub. Option C, gateway. Option D, repeater. The right answer is option C, gateway. A switch connects multiple devices within the same local area network and helps them communicate efficiently. Hub also connects several computers, but unlike the switch, it simply broadcasts data to all devices without managing traffic. A gateway links two or more different networks together and translate their communication protocols so they can understand each other. A repeater strengthens or regenerates weak signals, allowing data to travel over longer distances without loss. Question number 42. Dash is the set of rules that govern the communication between computers on a network. Option A protocol. B, a port. C, a handshake. D, a synchronization. The right answer is option A protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that determine how data is exchanged between computers in a network. A port, a server, serves as a communication endpoint, helping identify specific services or applications on device. A handshake is the initial process where two devices agree to establish a secure and reliable connection before data transfer starts. Synchronization ensures that data is sent and received in a correct sequence with the proper timing for smooth communication. Question number 43. Bluetooth is used for building what type of network? Option A, MAN. Option B, PAN. Option C, LAN. Option D, Internet. The right answer is option B, PAN. A MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network, covers an entire city or a large campus, whereas PAN is a personal area network, is ideal for Bluetooth. It connects nearby devices like smartphones, earbuds, or laptops wirelessly over short distances. Question number 44. The identification given to a computer connection to a network is known as option A, process ID, option B, IP address, option C, SYSID, option D, system serial number. The right answer is option B, IP address. An IP address is a unique number assigned to each device on a network, helping it identify and communicate with others. Question number 45. Which one of the following is a key function of firewall? Option A, monitoring, option B, deleting, option C, copying, option D, blocking unauthorized access. The right answer is option D, blocking unauthorized access. Its true purpose is to block unauthorized access and protect the network while it's still allowing safe communication between trusted systems. Question number 46. A computer network enables two or more computers to option A, increase the speed, option B, share data and hardware resources, option C, increase the work, option D, monitor the software. The right answer is option B, share data and hardware resources. Connecting computers in network doesn't make them faster or increase their work on its own. Its main purpose is to share data and hardware resources like files, printers, and internet connection between multiple devices. Question number 47. The first network that initiated the internet was option A, VNet, option B, ARPANET, option C, INET, option D, NSFNet. Right answer is option D, ARPANET. The internet began with ARPANET, which was created by the US Department of Defense in 1969. It was the first real network to use packet switching and become the foundation of today's internet. Question number 48. Which disadvantages suits a star topology? Option A, backbone wire, option B, central hub or switch gets damaged, entire network becomes unstable. Option C, one node pairs after the other. Option D, terminators are fixed. The right answer is option D, central hub or switch gets damaged, entire network become unstable. In a star topology, all devices are connected to a central hub or switch. If this central device gets damaged, the entire network becomes unstable. That is the main drawback. The backbone wire and terminators belongs to bus topology, while the idea that one node failure affects the next applies to ring topology. Question number 49. WLAN stands for what? Option A, wireless local area network. Option B, wire lost area network. Option C, wireless local ambiguity network. Option D, wired local area network. The right answer is option A, wireless local area network. A wireless local area network connects devices within a limited area like homes, offices, or schools using wireless communication such as Wi-Fi. Question number 50. Which topology requires the most amount of wiring? Option A, mesh. Option B, star. Option C, bus. Option D, ring. The right answer is option A, mesh. Mesh topology, every device is directly connected to all other devices, which requires a large number of cables. Star topology connects devices to a central hub. Bus is a single backbone cable, and a ring connects devices in a loop, all needing fewer cables than mesh. Thank you.